Hello people, I've got a very special thing to show you today. Finally managed to get here, and without further ado, I'd like to present something to a very special person.
Hello, I'm Danniella Westbrook. I had a picture taken of me 24 years ago that was very special to me and my daughter. Also subsequently got me banned from Burberry. But it was an iconic picture. And Andrew Wright offered to paint it for me, and I'm really excited and a little bit emotional and overwhelmed, so let's do it.
Yeah, here we go.
Exactly like Golden as well. Wow. A handbag with Dior boots.
I've got the easel there for you to...
So I need to place the top here.
Yeah. There you go.
Wow. After 24 years, it's like looking at the real picture. It's like... Sorry.
It's alright.
It's like almost 3D, isn't it?
Oh, I'm so pleased you like it. I mean,
I could cry.
This is
just
what
like,
it's all about.
This is what I used to look like. But no, this is like, it's amazing. It's amazing. I'll hold it there, that's fine.
Yeah, I got it for you.
It's just, you've got that?
Yeah.
Wow. It looks like you could just reel that away, that buggy. It's just immense. I've never seen anything like it. You've even got the bit where, look there. Every time I look at the picture, I think, oh, why didn't pull that bit?
Oh,
no, so it's lovely that you've got it exactly like the picture.
The detail.
I'm going to put a little version of the picture. When I put it up, I'm going to put the little version of it in a little frame beside it, so you can see exactly. Look at it's so integral, the way you're so talented, man.
Thank you so much.
Oh, the baby. She's going to flip when she sees it as well.
Successful, I think. Oh, bless you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I'm made up.
Excellent.
I just want to say a huge thank you to Andrew, Line of Arts, for customised making me this print, and surprisingly, I'm overwhelmed, to be honest. It's amazing. No one ever does normally nice things to be like that, so thank you so much. It means the world to me. But because it has been quite an iconic picture over the last 25 years, and people use it for fancy dress costumes and all sorts of things, we've got 3, and only 3 signed prints. I've signed them. Each print is signed in a different place as well, so no 2 are the same. I've signed all 3 of them. And if you're interested, then get in touch with Line of Arts to Andrew. Or if you want your own custom print or your own portrait done, then get in touch, because you really won't find anyone better. Thank you.
They watch me fall, they watch me rise, counting my scars, never my tries. I learned to breathe inside the fight, quiet and shaking, searching for light. I cut the weight of their old views, sign my name on my own truth. All of the nights I almost broke, turned to fuel inside my throat. Yeah,